everyone. I'm Alessia Michelle Acantil.
I'm Regine Vika Tubig.
And today we are going to talk about something that is close to all of our hearts. Family. So family is a word that holds a lot of meaning and emotion. It's a special bond that connects us and shapes our lives. In this talk, we will explore the power of family and how it can positively impact our lives. So for you, Regine, what is family?
So family for me. Family is a group of people who love and care for each other. It includes our parents, siblings, grandparents, and sometimes even extended relatives family. So family can also be the people we choose to surround us and with our children, like those friends or mentors. So, what is the importance of the family?
The importance of family is our family plays a vital role in our lives. They provide love, support, and sense of belonging. They are there for us during both good and challenging times. Family help us grow, learn, and become the best version of ourselves. So, for you, Regine, what is building connections for our family?
To build a strong connection with relatives. Within our family, it's important to spend quality time together. This can be through share activities, conversations, or even simple gesture like eating meals together by doing something to strengthen our bonds and create lasting memories. How we communicate and understand our family.
Effective communication is key to maintaining a healthy family dynamic. It involves actively listening, expressing our thoughts and feelings, and understanding each other's perspective. It's important to be patient, kind, respectful when communicating with our family members. How we support each other?
By supporting each other is one of the beautiful aspects of family support system. What it provides should be there for our family members in times of joy and sorrow. Supporting each other emotionally, mentally, and physically creates a strong foundation of trust and love. So for you, how to solve conflict with the family?
Conflicts are a natural part of any relationship, including within family. It's important to address conflicts and respectfully. Finding compromises, apologizing when necessary, and forgiving each other helps maintain harmony within the family. So, how families celebrate the tradition and creating memories?
Family tradition and rituals are unique to each other family. These traditions help create a sense of identity and strengthen family bonds, whether it's celebrating holidays, birthdays, or special occasions. These moments create lasting memories for generations to come. So, how to cherish family time?
In our busy lives, it's crucial to prioritize and cherish family time. Put away distractions such as phones and work, and dedicate quality time to connect with our loved ones. Those memories create a strong foundation of love, trust, and happiness within the family. So family is a precious gift that we should cherish and nurture. It's a source of love, support, and strength.
By valuing and investing in our family relationships, we can create a positive impact on our own lives and the lives those are we care about. Let's celebrate the power of a family, the incredible connection it brings.
Remember, family is not just about blood relations. It's about the people who love, care, and support us unconditionally.